Never be afraid to touch your messy feet down inside your vehicle with FH Group's heavy-duty ClimaProof touchdown non-slip car floor mats. Our high-quality floor liners feature tall outer ridges and deep channels that are specifically engineered to trap dirt, mud, water, and more in their tracks, saving your carpeting from nasty spills and stains. The striking rugged heel pad features a pop of color and is reinforced to stand up to the harsh scuffing of heavy boots and shoes. Our signature heavy nibbed backing keeps the mats exactly where you want them, and our semi-universal preset trim lines allow for a custom fit. These ultra-tough mats are stain-resistant, waterproof, and a cinch to clean. Just rinse with water and wipe with a cloth. This full 3-piece set comes complete with 2 front floor mats and 1 long rear mat, and are available in a variety of ultra-vibrant shades.